Diyos ko, Lord. Diyos ko, Lord. Ikaw naman ngayon. Uy, tugtog tayo mo.
Tigilan mo na yun, may gig pa tayo. Okay. Be professional. Tara na, okay?
Wow! Okay. Halika! May gig pala eh.
Good evening, everyone! Tonight will be our last gig here. And since this is our last performance, I want to start with an original song. This is for a very special person in my life, and he is this song. This is arranged by Ian Capili, ang gitarista ng banda. And he is the reason why I wrote this song.
Thank you for 7 years.
I tried it right. I did my best.
Yeah. Yeah. We did our best, Benedict. Pero hindi siguro sukatan yung haba ng pagsasama para malaman mo kung masaya ka. Kung ito ba talaga yung gusto mo? May mga bagay siguro na kahit sandali lang, pwede mong masiguro na totoo. Benedict, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But thank you for being part of my life. It's okay, it's okay.
It's okay.
Ikaw lang ang mamahalin.